If your financial situation has changed because of coronavirus, you might be able to get a reduction to your council tax bill.
You might get a reduction if you're on a low income or receiving certain benefits.
These benefits include income-related job seekers allowance, income-related employment support allowance, income support, universal credit and pension credit. The amount of the reduction will depend on your income and savings. The reduction might not cover all of your bill, and you'll still have to pay any shortfall. You're unlikely to receive any reduction if you have more than £16,000 in savings.
To apply for a reduction to your bill, you must contact the Council Tax Department at your local council.
To find details of your local council, visit gov.wales/local authority council tax contacts.
If you think you could be entitled to a reduction, you should apply as soon as possible. You may get the reduction backdated for up to 3 months. Some people are entitled to help with their council tax regardless of income or savings. These include
adults living alone, care leavers under the age of 25, some people with disabilities who've had adaptations to their homes, people who have a severe mental impairment and who receive certain benefits.
To see whether you can get a reduction or help paying your council tax, contact Shelter Cymru or visit gov.wales/pay less council tax.
It's never too late or too early to get help.